Hello everyone, my name is Gilbert Perez Moncada. I am psychology student and a nursing assistant. Today I am going to talk about the section what to do for my travel blog about the Chicamocha Canyon in Santander. I chose this section because I am passionate about traveling by motorcycle and this place offers the best roads and landscapes for riders. In this section you can find great activities. First, you should ride your bike through the canyon curves. It is an amazing experience is if you like adrenaline you can use paragliding to see everything from the sky. Chicamocha is the second largest canyon in the world, so the view is brilliant. As long as you visit the park, you will take the best photos of the life. You must remember that in the very strong you must use sunblock to protect your skin. The weather here is hotter than in other places. Should drink, play, or after. In conclusion, Chicamocha Canyon is most beautiful destination for people who love nature and adventure. Thank you, thank you for watching my video. I hope you visit Santander soon. Goodbye.